हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीरो चार्ज। मेरा नाम है अंकित एंड आज की वीडियो में हम प्रोफेशनल तरीके से अपनी कार को जो है वो वॉश करेंगे। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई विल बी यूजिंग अगारोस एलीट प्रेशर वॉशर फॉर वॉशिंग माय कार। सो चलिए इस एलीट प्रेशर वॉशर की अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं एंड रिव्यू करते हैं, देखते हैं ये कार की क्लीनिंग जो है वो कैसी करता है। Alright, so these are all the accessories that we get inside Agaro Elite Pressure Washer. So this is the outlet pipe, this is the inlet pipe, one microfiber glove for cleaning, one bucket filter, tap connector, outlet pipe connector, gun accessory, gun with extension rod, one foam bottle. Alright, so this is Agaro's Elite Pressure Washer. The build quality of this pressure washer is like a tank. It is super solid. Here you get an on off button. This is the outlet pipe connector. एंड दिस इज द नॉब फॉर मैनेजिंग योर वाटर प्रेशर। आप इस नॉब से अपने वाटर प्रेशर को कम भी कर सकते हैं एंड ज्यादा भी कर सकते हैं, विच इज फैंटास्टिक फीचर। दिस इज अ 2400 वॉट मोटर विच इज वेरी पावरफुल। इट कैन प्रोवाइड वाटर प्रेशर अप टू 240 bars, which is fantastic. The maximum water flow of this motor is 10 liter per minute, which is again very good. You also get a 4-meter long power cord. Motor is covered with this ABS plastic on all the sides. On the other side there is an outlet pipe connector. There is also a pressure gauge which is provided with this washer. Alright, so let's assemble this pressure washer and उसके बाद हम इसे टेस्ट करेंगे. First I will connect the inlet pipe. You get 3 meters of inlet pipe. On one end of the pipe I will connect the pipe connector. Simply मैं इसे open कर लूंगा. Then I will insert the pipe and then I will close it. So it is connected. Now I will connect this accessory on the motor. And simply मैं इसे pull करके insert कर लूंगा and this is connected. On the other end of the inlet pipe I can similarly connect the tap connector or I can connect the bucket filter. So इसे मैं insert कर लूंगा and simply I can insert this into the bucket. Now I will connect the outlet pipe. You get 10 meters of outlet pipe. I will insert it here and then lock it. So this is connected. On the other end I will connect the pressure gun and lock it as well. I can also connect this extension rod on this gun. Let's do that. So simply मैं इसे remove कर लूंगा. Then I will install the extension rod and on the other end I will install the nozzle. So you can see that the pressure gun has been extended. You can also connect foam bottle with the help of this connector and foam bottle will be installed. So you can see that foam bottle is installed now. Alright, so installation is done. Now let's test this product. Alright, so this is how the car looks from outside right now. आप देख सकते हैं ये काफी डर्टी है. You can see that टायर एरिया जो है वो कितना डर्टी है. Alright, so let's start with the cleaning process now. Now I will dip the inlet pipe inside the bucket and turn on the pressure washer. You can see that pressure washer जो है वो on हो गया है. Alright, so let's start washing the car. The pressure of this water gun is really very good. You can see that how easy it is to clean. Just in less than one bucket the entire car is washed, which is fantastic. So now let's use the foam dispenser. So this is really good and works well. So now let's clean the entire car with the microfiber sponge. Simply मैं इसे हाथ में insert कर लूंगा and I can easily clean the car. So this will remove all the dust and debris and जो भी दाग है वो सब मिट जाएंगे. Alright, so scrubbing is done. Now let's wash the car. I can also wash the engine bay area. Alright, so engine bay area is clean now. Let me wipe the entire car and I will show you the end results. So these are the final shots of the car post cleaning. आप देख सकते हैं कार जो है वो बिल्कुल क्लीन हो गई है. It was really easy to clean with the pressure washer and the results are fantastic. कार में एक न्यू कार वाली शाइन आ गई है। यू कैन सी दैट विंडो ग्लासेस जो है वो बिल्कुल क्लीन हो गए हैं एंड द टायर एरिया एज वेल। ऑल्सो ऑन द बैक साइड यू कैन सी दैट इट इज क्लीन नाउ। I am very impressed with this professional washing. Earlier it was very dirty and windshield is super clean. So this is the engine bay area. You can see that how clean it looks. I hope आप लोग को आज का वीडियो अगारो का कार प्रेशर वॉशर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। With that note, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. जय हिंद।